Stepford Airport Central. Calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Stepford Airport Parkway.
This is
and
Stepford Central.
Airport Central.
This train terminates
This train
here.
is formed of
All
4
change,
coaches.
please. Thank you for travelling with us today.
The train now approaching.
All change, please. Thank you for travelling.
The train now standing at platform 0 is the 1419 Stepford Express, service to Lynn by the Sea via Morgantown. Calling at St Helens Bridge, Morgantown, Leighton, Stepford Road, Leighton City, West
Welcome aboard
Wyvern,
this Stepford
North
Express
Shore,
service to
and
Lynn
Lynn
by the Sea.
This train is
at
formed of
St
4
Helens
coaches.
Bridge, Morgantown, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City, West Wyvern, North Shore, and Lynn by the Sea. The next station will be St Helens Bridge. Shortly arriving at St Helens Bridge. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Platform 1 for the 1421 Stepford Express, service to
This is
Lynn by the Sea
St Helens
via
Bridge.
Morgantown.
This train is
Calling
for
at
Lynn by the
Morgantown.
Welcome on board this Stepford Express service to Lynn by the Sea. The next station will be Morgantown.
Platform 1